trouble is that if the males follow the females hunting, the males are too big. They can't go flat into the grass because they're like mounts. They've got huge heads. The females have got smaller heads and they're more athletic compared to these guys. But if you do catch males on their own, they do a lot more killing than the females actually. But obviously it doesn't really help if you walk. It doesn't happen often that you find a big male playing with a cub like that. Come now.
You're far too young to roar, my boy.
Álvaro training. Un cachorro macho o no?
This one first. It's a
Young male.
Male.
Yeah, five young males here.
5 young males.
And then 3 young females.
Well, 8 lions. It's very difficult
Yeah,
to find something.
they would prefer larger prey. They catch a lot of kudu, nyala.
Ah, Niala, no?
Yeah. So
One for all of them?
yes, yeah. So they have to catch fairly regularly to keep the pride healthy. If they can get bigger kills,
So
They
the
would-
stronger ones is just going to eat, and the rest
yes, yeah.
probably.
Will these all survive or not?
It's hard to say. This next year is going to be the hardest bit as they need more food. They're going to struggle more because it is quite a big group with only 3 lionesses hunting for them.